Yep, now it's recording. After Danny on top of Sharp Top. Whoa, and I'm about to flip up the stairs. Nobody else of our crew made it. Oh, and now my hands are cold. It's still rolling. Exactly what Elliot told me not to do.
Oh no, yeah, there's Lindsay. 4,000 feet, blizzard, whiteout conditions, red cheeks, checking it all out.
Can't see a whole lot,
That's
but
as good as it gets, folks. We love it.
It was worth it. Definitely worth it. There's our shelter for tonight. We got our... Okay, wind's a little strong. We got our survival food. A lot of these things.
Matches. Oh yeah.
We got our matches in his pack.
Matches.
But the best thing is we do have shelter. And even if that wasn't there, we found a cave.
We would make it.
The rest of the gang, not entirely sure where they are. And I'm sure hoping that my gloves didn't blow away.
Yeah.
Just want them. This is amazing. Gotta get some, see if I can get up on top of that other rock without dying. Don't you be starting. Okay.
It ain't all that bad.
It was quite a hike, so. Okay, we're not catching a whole lot anymore. It's kind of white, so if we don't make it back and you find our camera, well, this is our story.
We really enjoyed it. Getting on everybody. Best